that pricing procedure is very important and very urgent to understand. Otherwise, things will not work. And that is all about conditions. Now check the document. No message issued during check. Save. Created. One PO has been created. Okay. As an end user, we can do one thing. We can create purchase order using ME21N, edit using ME22N, display using ME23N, and we can see a list of all the purchase orders by using a few T codes which are available. List displays ME12. So just maintain your supplier, execute, and see. So one purchase order is available, number 41591010. Document type ZAMB, vendor 700000301, purchasing group ZA1, date of creation today's date, quantities 250, price 98, unit of order dozen, 215 to 12, stock will be keeping in unit of measure each. Per item price is 8 rupee, 8.167 rupee, Indian rupee, and combinedly the total cost would be 24,500. 24,500. Okay, go back one more time. Again, go to create ME21N. Again, select the document type. Okay, select the supplier. Same supplier. Purchasing. Okay, do one thing. Change the supplier. Purchasing organization. ZF51. Group ZA1. ZA20. Now, maintain the material 900,503. Last one. PO quantity 150. Enter plant. Enter plant. ZA31. Maintain. Okay, net price must be greater than 0. First maintain the storage location. Yes. System is asking for the net price. Can you tell me why? Why it is asking for the price? For 150 quantity, maybe price should be 98 now. In the previous document, it was hit, but now it is not triggered. Why? What can be the possible reason? No. In last one, we provided that vendor which is available in the okay, but we don't have any info record for that second vendor. So ME11 vendor material, that is okay. Moving further, first reminder will be after 5 days, second 7, third 15. Data can be seen. Okay, no problem. So that is PIR number 2. Plant delivery time 20 days. Standard quantity 150. minimum quantity 150, under delivery tolerance and over delivery tolerance 10%. Maximum quantity can be taken 1000 in one go. Tax code can be maintained 5%. Net price maybe 120. This time I'm not maintaining the scales. I'm just maintaining one absolute price. Okay. Now see, is there any price hit? No. Because we created a data object later on than creation of this purchase order. So do one thing, ME21M, one more time. Select what? Document type, supplier. Supplier is this one. Purchasing organization 51. 1, that is 20. ZA is common. 900 503. PO quantity 150. Maintain plant. ZA 31. Maintain storage location. Now look at the price. Now it is available. I'm not maintaining. It is triggered from the info report. Check and save. Create it. Okay. Can we do one more thing? Just go to ME21M. Without maintaining any data, go to item overview, go to info report and maintain what? The info report. Now see, anything is coming? No. It is asking for what? Purchasing organization. Very well. ZF51, ZF1, supplier, means every detail it is asking. But we can do one thing, Srinivas. We can create one purchase order in reference to what? In reference to one purchase requisition. Select the document type. Now go to this variant. Click on my purchase requisitions. Is there any? Yesterday I created, so I can do one more thing. As an end user, I can display the list. Go to logistics, materials management, go to purchasing. When we don't remember anything, we need to follow the conventional way, the path. Okay. And when we are a little bit like expert or pro, we can directly use the T codes. So ME5A, okay, F8. So one purchase requisition number is available for 4 times 0, 1, 0. 4 times 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now here, where to go? There will be one field, purchase requisition. Yeah, this one. 4 times 0, 1, 0, 1. Enter. Now see, we are not feeding the material. It is triggered from the purchase requisition itself. Okay.
Okay.
Its quantity is coming from the purchase requisition. We can modify 120. Okay. Date. Tomorrow's date. Just check and save. So first method to create one purchase order is the manual method. Second method is the reference method. If you see the scenario in any organization, you will find one thing: release procedure. Have you heard the name? So in any organization, there is one kind of workflow. Workflow means position of the employee, positions as per hierarchy. That is one of the perfect term. Means there is one procurement engineer working on level 1. Level 1. There is one procurement manager working at level 2. There is level 3 procurement head. Level 4 plant head. Level 5 group head. This is how there are number of positions. So I'm making my problem very simple. I'm not talking about the whole organization, but here, what is happening in this procurement department? Requirements are determined from many departments, and the person working at level 1 has one responsibility to create one purchase requisition. Creation part, create one purchase requisition. So purchase requisition can be created by this person working at level 1, but cannot be released. Cannot be released if this person is not having access. And access is given on the basis of few characteristics. And number first is cost, amount. So there are categories of cost and amount. Category number 1, up to 10K. 10K to 50K. Category 3, 50K to 2 lakh. 2 lakh to 10 lakh. 10 lakh to 1 crore. When the cost or the amount of the purchase requisition only 10K, level 1 employee can release. When cost comes into that range, 2 employees, level 1, level 2. When cost or amount is in between that range, level 3. Like this, on one side amount, on second side approvals will be increased. Are you getting that thing? So what we do in any organization, the whole analysis, whole part of creation and like releasing will be done not in the external document but in the internal document. So do one thing, create one document that is internal, maintain what? Material number, its quantity, date, and now do one thing, material number M1, quantity Q1, date given. One document number will be available, PR001. So play the game. What do we play? ME51N creation part done. Any modification? Do that. Then take permission from anyone if you would like to do. Further, any other modification? Do that. Go to your manager. If any other permission, take that permission. Again, modify. Means take time. Take your time. It happens. Nothing will be done at very hurry. Nothing will be done at very fast way. It takes time. We need to consult from each and every department. Then we can create one external document. So here, one suggestion. Suggestion is very simple. As an end user, if you would like to do any modification, so do in the internal document. And on the last day, do one thing, create purchase order by taking reference from internal document. And there will be no further need of any kind of approval. You know why? Approvals have been given to the internal document. Now create PO just in one go. Okay. Any query? Your assignment is to watch that recorded video to create one purchase requisition after configuration. Okay. To make that releasing procedure, to make that pricing procedure, to complete RFQ. That is from the yesterday's like class. After that,
Okay,
move to purchasing info record. Okay. Then to purchase order. Anywhere, any problem, you can ask me tomorrow. If you would like to know anything else, anywhere in the training we covered, in the topics we covered, you can ask me. Yeah, you need to cover that. If you see the scenario, purchasing documents, I'm just placing that document in the chat box number first thing. Please find that PPT. That is the first task. I have uploaded from my end. Please download it. Second thing, if you see, yesterday I started from here. First, I discussed about the procurement to pay cycle. Okay, that is completely in recorded video. Then first document I took purchase requisition. Its configuration part. Number first thing. Number range, document type, field selection key. Then end user part. After that, I took that topic, pricing procedure. Pricing procedure. In the recorded video, you will find the complete detail. So here, second document, request for quotation, its configuration part, and then end user part. After that, we started with purchasing info record, configuration, as well as end user part. After that, purchase order, everything. Number range, document type, field selection key, different ways to create the purchase order. Okay. When one purchase order is created with the vendor, having the purchasing info record, not having the purchasing info record, with reference to purchase requisition,